Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world, originating from Italy, and it has evolved into many different variations depending on region, ingredients, and cooking style. Below is a detailed explanation of common types of pizza. 1. Traditional Italian pizza. Pizza Napoletana. Origin, Naples. Characteristics. Thin, soft crust with a puffy edge. Baked in a wood-fired oven at very high temperature. Basic ingredients: San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil. Taste: light, simple, yet refined. This is the most authentic form of pizza. Pizza Margherita, a famous variation of Napoletana. Colors represent the Italian flag. Red, tomato. White, cheese. Green, basil. Taste: mild and easy to enjoy. Pizza Marinara. No cheese. Ingredients: tomato, garlic, olive oil, oregano. Taste: rich and aromatic with herbs. 2. American-style pizza. New York-style pizza. Thin but flexible crust, foldable slices. Large slices, often sold individually. Popular in New York. Great for quick, street-style eating. Chicago deep dish pizza. Very thick crust, similar to a pie. Loaded with cheese, meat, and tomato sauce. Longer baking time, feels like a giant savory pie. Detroit-style pizza. Rectangular shape. Thick crust with crispy bottom. Signature caramelized cheese edges. 3. Pizza by toppings. Hawaiian pizza. Includes pineapple and ham. Taste: sweet and savory. Highly controversial. People either love it or hate it. Meat lovers pizza. Contains various meats such as sausage, bacon, beef, and pepperoni. Taste: rich, savory, and hearty. Vegetarian pizza. No meat. Loaded with vegetables such as bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, and olives. Lighter and healthier option. For cheese pizza. Typically includes mozzarella, parmesan, gorgonzola, and ricotta. Taste: extremely creamy and rich. 4. Modern variations. Stuffed crust pizza, crust filled with cheese. Even the edges are delicious. Thin crust pizza. Very thin and crispy crust. Less dough, more focus on toppings. Sicilian pizza. Thick, fluffy crust. Square or rectangular shape. Rich tomato sauce flavor. 5. Classification by crust. Thin crust, crispy and light, Italy, New York. Thick crust, soft and filling, Chicago, Sicily. Stuffed crust, cheese-filled edges. Crispy crust, cracker-like texture. Summary. Pizza can be classified based on region, ingredients, and crust type. There is no best pizza, only the one that fits your taste.